Hello everyone, so welcome to the second part of Canva special Diwali special keyword edition, and this is going to be very special because this is a two-part edition and I have already shared the part 1 in our channel, and this is the second part. If you have already watched the part 1, then this will be a great part 2, and if you have missed the part 1, make sure you watch the part 1 in after finishing watching this video. Okay, so before starting, I would like to wish all of you a very happy and safe Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali and let's get started. Okay, so I will be choosing Instagram post as my canvas. Okay, so you can choose any type of canvas, but I am using just for example here. I will be not be designing any type of canvas or design here, so I will be using only to show the elements. Okay, so let's come to the elements section. So first keyword will be Diwali border. Okay, so let's come to the graphics. So you will be getting this type of graphics which you can use for your own design. Okay, so these are mostly in free section. Okay, so you can use any of them for your own design. Okay, so let's come to the next one, which is Diwali greeting. Okay, so you can use these designs for your greeting purposes. Okay, many are in pro section and many are in free section, which you can use for your own designs. Let's come to the third keyword, which is Diwali frame. So you might be needing many type of frames for your design, and what can be better getting a customized Diwali frame for your own design. So these are the Diwali frames which you can use. As you can see, many are in free section here, 5, 7, 10, 11, 12. So 12 are in free section, 13, 14 are in free section, and many of them are in pro section. So you will be needing a pro account if you want to use all the designs and elements for your own design purposes. Okay, so let's move into the last keyword, which is Diwali diya. Okay, so you can use these diya designs. So as you can see, many are in free section and some also in this customized shape, and many are in pro section. So if you have a free account, you can use many of them, and if you want to use all of them, you will be needing a pro account. Okay, so I hope you like the tutorial, and if you have liked the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out other tutorials and keywords which is present in our channel. And if you like the tutorial, make sure you comment in the video, and if I have missed any type of keyword which is Diwali special, make sure you comment down below in our video. And please share this video with your friends who are designing for this Diwali purpose. Thank you and have a safe and happy Diwali.